we are asked frequently if we want to switch, or hey, can we at least give you a proposal or something like that. And I think back to the days when we started with J-Mark and that learning curve, and you want to say save the day. Again, to me, hopefully you're not going to have a lot of those save the days, because that already happened in that whole initial period. J-Mark knows us, they know our business, they know how we work. So it isn't coming in on a certain day because we've already built the systems in place. So the save the days happened back in 2011, 2012, or, like I said, if something goes down for some odd reason, hey, Kevin, can you go get this for me, or whatever. So I think the response time for J-Mark has just been invaluable. Honestly, when you call over there and they drop everything to get on whatever issue you may have. And that's just so, again, I think we just take it for granted because not everybody does that. But J-Mark, whether or not it's the depth and the bench that's over there, it's juggled around, I guess, because I always feel like we're the only client. Because if I call over there, he's like, hey, I got to finish this up and then, let me get back with you, or whatever. It's not days later, it's not hours later. It's just, hey, give me a minute.